Alright, what's up guys? It's Classic Patinas here. Ooh, waves kind of hitting right now. Anyway, today we're back with another video. I think I got something special for you guys. Coming into the garage, I've been trying to slowly turn it into mine. Man, I don't know if I showed you guys already, but here's my actual shed. I actually got a shed in the back. Now, it is old and it's beat up, but it got some space back here. And also, I'm thinking about doing some like renovations to this thing, putting some solar lights in here, doing a whole bunch of stuff, putting my welding stuff in here. The last owner actually had his welding set up back here too. So, thinking about doing that plus some more stuff. So, I mean, honestly, stay tuned for that stuff too. That's actually gonna be kind of cool. But I actually put up all the engines, put them in some bags. Luckily, we had a really hard rain last night, so the bags did some good because I don't have a door on here. This is old, but yeah. So everything is set up right here. I'm about to grab these bags because today, oh, I just heard the walls. Whoa. Today we're probably about to be going to go pick up an engine. So yeah, we gonna see. I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys the engine when we get there. All right guys, so we're actually gonna be picking up an engine for one of these cars right now. You can take a wild guess on which one I'm picking up an engine for, but pretty excited. And I actually did a little poll on Instagram. I don't know if you guys be seeing that type of stuff, on basically what I should do next, what I should work on next. And basically you guys picked what I should do next. So now I'm doing what you guys want me to do. So yeah, picking up an engine for that. So if you know, you know. If you don't, you'll probably see in a couple minutes. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're on the road, headed over to go pick up the engine. Got about an hour drive there and back. It's not too bad. So I'll see y'all soon.
Later that day.
All right, guys, I don't know if you could tell by just looking at this head, but you can already tell what kind of engine we're picking up. So actually, we're about to be picking up a 6.0. I'm about to be picking up a 6.0 for the Bel Air. So yeah, after I floated the valves on it, thought about it, could have rebuilt the top end, and I was like, you know what, let's go 6.0 and do a top end on there too. Let's do it. Man, I don't even know if I need this engine, bro. You know why? I got a warning just going to go get the damn thing. So just imagine whenever it's in the car. Anyway, we home now. So engine got to go in the garage. First step, I got to go pull out the engine stand and engine hoist and all that stuff. Not about to do that right now, but I will very, very soon, probably in a couple minutes or so. Take a little break. You know, that was kind of a long drive. Engine's in the bag, so I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, man, let's take it out of the bag real quick just to show you guys a little bit of it. That's a lot. It's a lot of work. I'll show you guys in a second. All right, guys, so here is the 6.0. Look at those cylinder walls, man. Some parts, I mean, you can't really see it right there. It looks like it's been sitting out, not really outside, but maybe outside with the heads on for not too long. But if you look closely on it, can't probably tell on video, but you can actually still see the cross hatching on it. So this is a pretty good motor in my opinion. It looks good. Showed me pictures of everything before I bought it. So yeah, thinking it's gonna be pretty solid. Got to take the bottom end. Well, I gotta take the oil pan off and check the bottom end and everything, but honestly I'm probably just gonna keep it stock bottom end and top end rebuild, you know. So but yep, that's gonna be going for her. All right, I'm gonna put it on the engine stand right here. Hopefully I can find some bolts for it. If not, I'm gonna have to go to freaking Lowe's right now just to go get some bolts. But honestly, probably set that stuff like right here for right now. This bar thing, I'm actually gonna, it's bolted to the ground. So what I'm gonna do is actually unbolt it from the ground, and I'm actually gonna push it over to the wall. I think that'd be cool, you know, have a little work area. I know this is more of decorative wood, so I might cover it with something. But yeah, let me see if I can go ahead and get this thing in now. All right guys, we are back. So it is the next day. Engine sitting right here, head sitting right here and stuff. It got dark, so I just had to bring the engine in and set it right there. But now, since it's a new day and I'm off work, let's go ahead and push this thing out, move that stuff over so we can set the engine up on the actual engine stand. I actually got some bolts that fit this time. I went out yesterday and got some bolts that were a little bit too short. So yeah, that's what made me hold up yesterday. This should have been on there last night. So no further ado, let's get straight to it. The more y'all see me, the sweatier I get. It's getting all in my eyes, everything. Dude, it's freaking humid out here. Anyway. It's on there. All right, so it's finally on there. Now I gotta clean the garage back up and push the car back in. This thing is actually gonna be really nice, man, whenever I'm done. Get all this stuff situated. I'm gonna probably move that bar to the side, like unbolted from the ground to the side, so I have a little table to work on, workbench. I mean, that's gonna be the workbench, sorry. Engine's gonna be sitting somewhere over here. I'm gonna have a TV mounted on the wall. I'm gonna keep this fridge stacked up with waters and stuff. Probably get rid of some more of this stuff back here and put up some more of this stuff. But it's actually gonna look really good and I'm really excited. Man, look at these cylinder walls. I just put a little bit of ATF in them, wipe them down to get the dirt out of them. But man, they look clean. You can still even see a cross hatching on it from the factory. Dude told me I only had like 145,000 miles on it or something like that. There you go, you can probably see the cross hatching pretty good right there. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this one. But honestly, this is gonna be, I ain't gonna say a cookie cutter, but his Cam 6.0. Probably call it a day right there. Probably do a good valve train so I can get some decent RPM out of it. But yes sir, it is going in the Bel Air. Now the engine for the Challenger is sitting in the backyard. There's gonna be one of those back there, but had to get a separate engine for the Bel Air. Pretty excited about it. Yeah, honestly, what I'm about to do, put this engine right in that bag, put this stand and stuff, take it right back to the back, kind of clean up a little bit of this, push the Bel Air in, and call it another night. Nothing wrong with that, you know. Got some good things going on. Got a new 6.0 finally. I'm excited. Always wanted a 6.0. First, I always wanted to LS swap it, and originally I was actually looking for a 6.0, but the guy that had the 5.3 at the time, who was a good friend of mine at the time, had a 6.0 and he said it had a spun cam bearing in it. So he sold me instead his broke 5.3 without me knowing. Now obviously I didn't know. That was my first LS, first build. Obviously, you know not to trust people like that no more. So yeah, that's why we're gonna be going through this thing ourselves. So in the meantime, stay tuned. We're gonna have some big things coming up. If you guys like what you're seeing, please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, more content is gonna be coming soon. Also, go follow the other social medias. I have an Instagram, I have a YouTube, we have an Instagram, we have a TikTok, also a Facebook. I say we, me. It's only me running all this, but it's all good. We like doing this. So anyways, please like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Peace. Alright guys, my bad. I know I ended the video already, but I just want to show you guys. Here's the engine. Bel Air is back in place. Challenger's over there. Look at the room we got. That's a lot of room. Still don't have the TV up. I gotta go get a TV, put it up. I want a little cool little 50-inch or something, you know what I'm saying? But that'd be cool. Yeah, I already told you guys my plans, but I just wanted to give you a quick look real quick before I end this video again. So yeah, I already said my outro, so peace.